Hello and welcome to Green Gold Database Academy. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful and versatile tools in Linux, the AWK command. Whether you're analyzing text, extracting data from files, or performing calculations, AWK is your go-to command for text processing. In this video, I'll guide you through example you need to know about AWK, from the basics to advanced usage. We'll work with practical examples and real data to make things easy and clear. Let's get started. AWK is a text processing tool used for searching, filtering, and manipulating text. It works by reading input files line by line, breaking each line into fields, and performing actions on those fields. It's like a mini programming language for text processing, and it's a favorite among system administrators and developers. It is very useful when you need to extract information, filter data, or even perform calculations on the fly. AWK processes files or streams of text. It can filter rows or columns based on conditions. It allows you to format output or perform mathematical calculations. Now let's move step by step through practical examples that will help you understand and use AWK effectively. Before going for practical demo of AWK command, let's see the files used for examples in this tutorial. Number 1, file.txt. This file contains employee data. It has 3 fields. Fields are space separated. Number 2, data.csv. This file contains sales data. It has 3 fields. Fields are comma separated. Number 3, log.txt. This file contains logs. Number of fields is not fixed. There are logs such as info, error, warning. Fields are space separated. Now let's move step by step through practical examples that will help you understand and use AWK effectively. This command reads the file.txt file line by line. Print is the default action in AWK, which means it will print the entire line to the terminal. This is useful when you simply want to view the content of a file or ensure that AWK is reading it correctly. $1 refers to the first column, and $2 refers to the second column. Columns in AWK are identified by a $sign followed by the column number. By specifying print $1, $2, we are instructing AWK to print only the first and second columns of each line. This is particularly useful when you only need specific information, like names and ages, from a large dataset. $2 greater than 30 is a condition. It checks if the value in the second column, age, is greater than 30. If the condition is true, the action print $1, $2 is executed, meaning it will print the first and second columns for those rows. This demonstrates how AWK can be used to filter data based on specific criteria. -f followed by a comma in the command sets the field separator to a comma since data.csv is a CSV file. By default, AWK assumes fields are separated by spaces or tabs. N, R, greater than 1. In the command, N, R, is the number of the current row. N, R, greater than 1 means to skip the header row, the first line of the file. Sum plus equals $3 in the command adds the value in the third column, sales, for each line to the sum variable. END in the command is to execute the block after processing all rows. Here, it prints the total sales. What a /log in the command means. It means a pattern enclosed in slashes is treated as a search term. This matches any line that contains the word login. In the command, there is print $0. $0 represents the entire line. It prints the full line for all matches. This is helpful for searching through log files for specific events or keywords. $N, F, refers to the last field in each line. Combined with /login/, this command finds lines containing login and extracts the last field, usernames. This shows how awk can identify patterns and extract specific data. $0 represents the entire line. By appending 5, a new column is added with the default value 5. This is useful when you want to augment data without modifying the original file. The sort command sorts lines based on the second column, age. -K2 specifies the column to sort by. N ensures numerical sorting, not alphabetical. The GSUB function performs a global substitution of Alice with Alicia. Print outputs the modified lines. NR is the number of rows processed so far. END mean to execute the block after processing all lines. It prints the total number of rows. I hope you now feel confident using the awk command. As we've seen, awk is incredibly powerful and can simplify many text processing tasks. Try these examples yourself to see how much time and effort awk can save. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Green Gold Database Academy, and share your favorite awk tricks in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.